The Pittsburgh Steelers entered the 2025 season with doubts surrounding their quarterback situation, but Week 1 proved promising as the team secured another undefeated start, the fifth such opener this decade. While playoff expectations should remain cautious, fans eager to celebrate can turn to the Nike Air Max DL 2.5 Steelers. Dressed in the team's signature black and gold, this retro silhouette from 2006 sports yellow mesh streaks, sunny trims on the swoosh and tongue, plus a tinted air bubble underfoot. The sneaker blends nostalgia with team pride, making it a stylish match to the number 8 jersey. Arriving holiday 2025 with a $190 price tag, the release ties together the Steelers' resilience on the field with Nike's sportstyle heritage off it, giving supporters both a reason to cheer and a way to wear their loyalty.